In this episode of Atelier Design.
Kind of exciting to see something literally. This is so much unlike a house, and that this all got put up, in a matter of about 3 weeks?
There's a wood shelving that's going in here. It's 3.5 inches wide, is that correct?
And Lindsay will have a big update on the progress at our arts and crafts style home renovation.
A huge thing that was completed is this ceiling was opened up and we've got the skylights in now.
Then, Wendy tries out a new virtual reality design program.
It's teleport, right?
Yeah, I think it's teleport and walk at the same time.
Wait, where am I? Okay.
Atelier Design handles more than just residential clients. Today, Wendy and Malina are meeting with the contractors at a commercial job. It's a build-out of a franchise restaurant located in a busy shopping center.
So this is a little bit different of a project for us. I know y'all are usually watching us do all the homes and the interior design stuff, but this is going to be a Mediterranean restaurant called Taziki's. There's a chain of them, and I had a client ask me if we would get it done. So it was an older restaurant that we revamped. So you can see we've got the service counter here, revamping the kitchen in the back. This is going to be a pickup space. We're building this area over here. It's a whole bunch of banquettes.
So this is the cedar, of course, and it gets a stain. And then you saw how we were.
Yeah, that looked
they
good.
came up with. It'll be hang on the underside using a half drywall channel.
And is that dimension what you? I mean, obviously this is what we specified. Is that big enough to actually make?
To cover it?
Is it hanging vertical like this, or is it's hanging like this? Okay. All right, good.
I did get the product data and a little drawing for the counters.
Okay.
I need to see to verify this one because it's probably going to be a little different because of here.
Okay.
Okay.
We had to make a little bit of an adjustment.
There's a wood shelving that's going in here. It's 3.5 inches wide, is that correct?
Yeah, we have it that deep. Yeah, it's like a faux box kind of thing.
Okay.
You just get framed around it. It doesn't have to be like fully. It can just be like, just put a veneer edge. Is it the same cedars we're using up top
It's the same as the shelving over there.
as
I think
the
this is
shelf?
tile.
Oh, is
There's
this
on
tile?
the face of it.
Oh, we did switch it. I think we did switch it all to tile.
So is it tile on the interior too? Yeah. Okay. So it's just framed wood and then tile. Is the dimension
I think
of the
the
tile?
shelving is. I'll have to double check. I can't remember. We switched it a few times,
Okay. Is
think-
the shelving the dimension of the tile?
but I can't remember if the shelving's tile or the shelving is wood.
All right.
Yeah, I don't have my.
Thought it was a wood, but I
Yeah, I don't know. We went back and forth a few times, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I think we ended on wood, and the whole interior is tile.
So those are wood shelves.
Yeah, yeah, because the bottom wood shelf just sits on the. Yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, we're showing a big X, but it should have just like a couple of slats. So that's basically their, you go on your phone, you
Their
order your
pickup.
food, your pickup.
Yeah.
So they're sliding it through one way and someone's grabbing
Right.
it on the other side, so,
I think we have the back wall, there's a wall behind it. Yeah, so it's not pass through.
It should be passed.
so is it open
want
or
it to
it's not
pass through?
open?
I think they suggested that when they came by to give it more access, obviously, more space.
We had those doors, remember, and then we took the doors out.
Okay, so it's
So-
framed up as pass through, so maybe we just leave it as
Yeah.
pass through.
And just open shelving.
Yeah,
Okay.
is that good?
Okay.
So we'll leave it as pass through like that.
Okay.
So we'll just get that wood edge on both sides of the, we don't have this wall. We just get that wood edge on both sides of the shelf.
Okay.
Okay.
Where does the tile stop, Malina? Does it stop?
Tile goes all the way up.
All the way up.
Yeah, so it's just a big
Okay, so
hall.
that'll be nice. We'll have the shelving. The tile will come in here. We'll just have those wood shelves.
Okay.
Just kind of exciting to see something literally. This is so much unlike a house, and that this all got put up, in a matter of about 3 weeks, 2 weeks. We got all this framing done. So on the commercial side, we can get things really blowing and going. So it'll be a fun little space that we'll all get done.
At our New Orleans arts and crafts style home renovation, Lindsay is checking in on the progress. All of the framing is complete, and there's been a lot of changes to the home, both inside and out.
Okay, so here we are in the new opened back kitchen area. We took this away that once divided it into a double. We can see that they have all the framing done for the great glass doors that are going to be leading to the pool area, which we'll go take a peek at in a second. Still have our footprint for the kitchen. One thing that did change is after we went through a couple iterations, we decided, we did want to go back to 3 pendants because we want to highlight these beautiful beams that are going to be wrapped, just to give that architectural element. So they have put 3 instead of 2 now, which will kind of help balance with the hood and the stove and everything that's going there. They've closed up this door, which is going to be the pantry kind of butler area. We have this door that is now getting reframed, and you can see there are some salvage pieces remaining. So there's, that was originally there, fix that up and put it back. There's, some of the original windows.
Some of the biggest changes are upstairs, like this new balcony at the back of the house.
They've got all of this new balcony framed in, getting the railing up. This is going to be the sun porch, kind of a flex space, but really cool that it's coming to fruition. We've got this wall that's dividing the primary bedroom with the primary sitting room. All of the bathrooms have really started to get framed in. We have, all of our doorways are more emphasized now, so we can really start seeing which area is going to be which. A huge thing that was completed is this ceiling was opened up, and we've got the skylights in now and all the framing here, so we can see that this is going to be just a really grand over the staircase space and area. And we're going to have that really great big chandelier coming down and giving this a whole dimension here that you can see from down there. Another big thing that's on this floor is they've started to finish the front balcony. So we've got a new roof overhang coming here. We've continued these columns up from the bottom, and then we're going to have this, will eventually have all the railing placed back, but this is for 2 of the guest suites so that they have their own front outdoor space looking at that beautiful oak tree. We can start to see where all of our electrical placement is going to be. Also, these were the columns from the front porch, which is now still being taken care of. And we'll go look at that really quick, and you can see the difference. They put new top here, being all new decking, so it's really starting to take shape and look different than it has. So we're making good progress over here, and we're gonna go look at the pool. This new overhang is up. This is designed because this will be their driveway, so we'll be able to access from inside where we were just looking and have a nice overhang, so that if it's raining, they can go right in there with the groceries. And here is the back deck. It's starting to take shape. Our one side of our outdoor fireplace is already installed, which is very exciting and gives, the whole kind of feel of this cozy outdoor space on looking the pool, which is waiting to be filled and finished. And then of course we'll come back with some great landscaping, but as of now, it's really starting to take shape. Hold on, my hair is like all I've got to look good and fly. Alright, so let's see.
Meanwhile, back at Atelier Design HQ, Wendy is trying out a new virtual reality program. The program brings Wendy's architectural plans into a space that she can then move through.
It's teleport, right?
Yeah, I think it's teleport and walk at the same time.
It's a great opportunity to see for the first time what the plans will look like once constructed, long before construction begins.
Yeah, that did do something, but okay, because now I'm up on the porch.
That is, if she can figure out how to work the controls.
Wait, I'm almost up, Malina. I want to see the second floor so badly. My nose is itching. Okay, now I'm back up. Wait, where am I? Okay. I'm really worried about 2 rooms here that have been like making me worry for many years now.
Which ones?
The guest room actually looks pretty good. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm still in the middle of the floor a little bit, but I'm getting there. All right, this is the room, Charlie's room. Ooh, that window's really high. But it's supposed to be a bench seat. Oh yeah, this is some messed up. Oh shit. Hold on.